Good morning. So today we're back at our daycare center roof. Guys got here at 6:30 this morning. Got just one last roof face, 41 squares. Everything's ready. The roof's got a lot of ice on it. So we're working our accessory buildings. Everything cleaned up, ready. The ice gets off. Should easily be able to finish this today. I worked late last night, but I think about 85 to 90 squares removed and replaced. Really strong showing. We've got two other little accessory buildings out here, full house and small pavilion. Kids will be back tomorrow morning at 7:30, so we're under a little bit of a deadline, but I don't see any issue that we can't make it. I'll keep you posted with progress. Thank you for watching.